Number one, I will tell you what the 29 most important interview questions are for all job roles. Number two, I will explain why each question is being asked and also give you a powerful tip for answering it. If you understand why the interview questions is being asked, it makes it far easier for you to get a perfect answer. I will then give you a unique top scoring answer to each of the 29 interview questions based on my 30 years experience as a recruitment expert and a hiring manager. And finally, number four, I will tell you when you can easily download my full set of 29 powerful hiring manager approved answers to difficult interview questions and just very quickly if you are new to my channel.